Why do astronomers think humans never reach the boundary of the universe? After reading this, you will understand. This is what you see on the ground. For us, the Earth is simply too big, you can't even tell there's a sphere underfoot. This is a picture taken by astronauts in low Earth orbit. At this point, the curvature of the Earth begins to appear. The rumors of flat Earth are self-defeating. This image was taken 29,000 kilometers from Earth. It is also what the Earth looks like in the impression of many people. Now we can clearly see the whole Earth. This is a picture taken by astronauts on the Moon. At this time we are 380,000 kilometers from the Earth, facing the home where 8 billion people live. Many people feel both familiar and unfamiliar leaving Earth's attractive forces. Let's enter the perspective of the solar system. At this point, the Earth began to shrink dramatically. This is Curiosity 160 million kilometers away, photographs taken on Mars. Our planet has become a little white dot. This is Cassini 1.40 billion kilometers from Saturn, the photo taken by looking back at the Earth under the halo. If I don't say, you don't even believe there's an Earth up there. And finally, there's this picture, which is called the pale blue dot. Voyager 1 probe from 6.40 billion kilometers away, so the Earth in this picture is 0.12 pixels. As insignificant as dust, it can be seen that human beings are insignificant in the vast universe. The farthest man-made probe from Earth currently, Voyager 1, has been in space for 47 years. It is now 25 billion kilometers from Earth. This distance, even at the speed of light, it also takes nearly a day. However, the true nature of the solar system, attractive force up to 2 light-years. At its current speed of 17 kilometers per second, it will take about 300 years to arrive. The Oort cloud at the edge of the solar system, and it will take 30,000 years to pass above the solar system, is 100,000 light-years across. It contains at least 200 billion stars. Above the Milky Way is the larger local group of galaxies. It contains more than 50 galaxies and it has reached a diameter a staggering 10 million light-years, and above the local group is the Virgo supercluster. It is a piece with a diameter of over 110 million huge area light-years away. It contains more than 100 structures like the local group, and then up you have the Laniakea supercluster. A terrifying 520 million light-years in diameter, it contains at least 100,000 galaxies. At this stage, the universe would no longer be a uniform structure of galaxies, it becomes a network. Tens of thousands of galaxies, and driven by dark matter and dark energy, became a strip across billions of light-years across the Great Wall, and superclusters become the nodes of the Great Wall of the universe. Tens of millions of light-years between them, billions of light-years across the universe to the edge of the observable universe. Scientists speculate that the size of the universe could be observing the universe more than 250 times with the current state-of-the-art. Leaving the solar system is out of reach, not to mention interstellar travel beyond the speed of light. So astronomers think, we will never reach the boundary of the universe.